Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this Python video, we'll learn about validate password using regex. For example, consider our password should be 6 character long and it should contain at least one uppercase letter, one digit and one special symbol. So that's how our password looks. Let's try to write and validate this password. So whenever I need to write regular expression, I need to import ray module. After importing ray module, I'll write pattern here. Pattern is equal to ray dot compile. So this raw string, I'll give empty string here. So this precompile converts Python regex into regex object, which we can use later in our program. So now I'll make use of while loop here. While true, I'll take password as input from the user. So password is equal to input, enter the password. Next, once the user enters password, I'll check whether the password is of length 6 characters long. So if let's say length of the password is less than 6, what I need to do? I need to print a statement here telling that password must be at least 6 character long. Now if he types password correctly, then we'll check for special symbols. So ray.search, my special symbols in the password include, let's say we'll give not symbol, at symbol, hash symbol, dollar symbol and modulo operator symbol, and also we'll use AND operation. This we have to match with password. If is none. So after matching the result, if the result is none, I need to tell user that password must contain at least one special symbol. So this condition will take it as else if. So now I'll take one more else if condition here. So else if ray.search. So here we are going to search whether digit is present in our string or not. If this returns none is none, then I should print password must contain at least one digit. Else if I'll take again search function here, ray.search. This time we'll check for capital letters. So A to Z, comma, password. So here also we should check is none. Then I need to tell user that you should provide at least one capital letter in your password. So these are the things we are going to check. Next, I'll take one more else if here. Now I'll make use of match function. Here I'm going to write regular expression which contains A to Z, capital A to Z and digits from 0 to 9 as well as special symbols. So these are set of the special symbols I'm going to verify. So I'll take these special symbols as well here, and we need to verify length of the password. So it is 6. So this I am going to match with password. So here I'll take pattern object. So pattern object is equal to ray.compile and I need to provide. Now I'll make use of one more variable result. This result holds pattern dot match and I'll give here password. We will break here. So here I need to write print password is correct. After that we'll break here. Else we'll take one more print function. We need to write here password invalid. Now let's try to run this. So now let's run this. It's asking us to enter password. First I'll enter only 3 characters. It is telling password must be 6 character long. So now let's enter 6 character long password. So ABC123. Now it is telling password must contain at least one special symbol. So let's include that ABC hash 12. So now it is telling password is correct. Let's move on to our next topic. Next topic is writing protected password. What we were typing was visible to us. Now we'll see how to write protected password. So Python has a built-in module called getPass. So we need to import that first. Import getPass. So here instead of input, I need to change this to getPass.getPass. Now let's run this and check what happens. So it is asking us to enter password. I'll enter ABC. So it is not echoing anything. Whatever I am typing, it is not showing on the screen. But when I run this, it is telling password must be 6 character long because I entered only 3 characters. So now let's try with another use case. Say now I'll give all the 6 characters ABC 1 2 3. Now it is telling password must contain at least one special symbol. Now I'll give ABC hash 1 2. So now it is telling password is correct. I hope you are clear with all these concepts. If you find these videos helpful, kindly click on subscribe button and help us to grow.
Click the bell icon to receive regular updates.